Hi YouTube! If you own a car, then having a portable jump starter is almost a must-have piece of equipment. A portable jump starter allows you to get your battery up and running without having to rely on a friendly stranger for help, since it's impossible to predict when your car will break down. Sometimes the battery just refuses to start up after you've parked your car, which is certainly a frustrating situation. This is Shivas with you, and in this video we will show you how to use your jump starter, and in this case we'll be using the BOPOWER Portable Jump-Starter. If you need more information about this unit, you can check its unboxing. See the link provided at the end of this video. Before we start, it is recommended to know your jump starter. The unit that will be used in this video can jumpstart your car, motorcycle, oil boat, sleigh, etc. Up to 500 amps of peak current. It has a 13600 mAh capacity and has an output voltage of 12 volts, 16 volts, and 19 volts. It has a smart USB port with quick charge. It can even full charge your laptop, smartphones, tablets, because included in the package is a 8-in-1 adapter which can be used for quite a variety of options. It also has an LED flashlight and an SOS lightning signal for help. So without wasting more time, we'll jump straight into the demonstration. So this is what happens after a few days on the quarantine and not using the car. Dead battery. So what we're gonna do today is use a jump starter, and I'm gonna show you how to use a jump starter. So this is the jump starter we're gonna use. It's 13600 milliamperes with a peak current of 500 amperes. Okay, first thing you need to make sure is that it's 100%, or at least it has 25 to 30% charge. So first things first, we're gonna attach the clamps. Okay, make sure it's off, power off, make sure it's off, because if it's not off when you use it, you get battery depletion real fast. One thing I like about this jump starter is you can use it for 12 volts, for 16 volts, and for 19 volts. So first we want to use the clamps, attach the positive clamps first, and then the negative clamps. Okay, then you switch on. Now we go and jump start. I hope you have learned something in this video, or at least you have lost your fear of the use of a portable jump starter. Do not forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you will get notified when we upload new videos. Hasta la próxima. Ciao.